Hello everyone, are you able to hear me? Hi Randhir. Great, great. Hi Martin, hi Susant. All right. So let's start today's session from where we left last time. Okay. So last time we were discussing about how to use filter. We had discussed about how to use load, how to use group by, okay, and how to use uh, okay. So we let me just make a note also. All right. Good. Yeah. So we had talked about how to load, how to store, how to dump, and how to for each. So load was for loading a file from HDFS. Store was to store a data set to the file system to the HDFS. Dump was to print what is there inside the data set. And for each was for the projections, as in we have to when we have to iterate, then we use for each. Then there was group by, and then there was flatten. All right, that's what we have talked about so far. Now, right now we are talking about filter. So a filter is when you have a data set, and out of this data set, we do not want all the records in the output. Okay, in those cases, we apply filter. Okay, so pig is not only significant because of the analytics reasons, but because of its contribution to the general distributed computing. When you study Spark, you will notice that the most of the syntax and most of the behavior of Spark looks like pig. Okay, this is something which people don't say, but this is what actually you will see it when you look at the Spark. All right. So lazy evaluation, for example, when we say dump or store, only then the whole process happens. Same is true. Same is true in case of Spark as well. All right. You will see that when we discuss it. Now, coming back to the point which we are talking right now. So here we can, if we want to only keep certain records out of the total data set, we can say filter that particular data set, whatever here we have divs, and then we are saying symbol matches cm dot star. Okay, that means we will get only the data that is matching here. Okay, now let me SSH S5 S5665 at h2.cloudxlab.com. All right. So I've started big here. Okay. And let's try to do this exercise. And then once we have loaded the data, next step is to filter. All right. Next step is to filter. So when you say starts with CM, okay, and then before that, let's say dump. That means it will print it on the screen. Okay. So it's running the job. All right. Now you can see that only the names that start with CM have come in the output. Okay. Only the names that start with CM have come in the output. So that is the significance of using filter. So you could do complex things like in case you don't want these ones which are starting with CM, you could say not, or you can combine one condition with others. For example, this one. This one has logical operators and it also has brackets. Okay, so basically you can combine these operators and filter the data. Complex the very complex structure of expressions can be formed using the